How to delete your Facebook account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about deleting your Facebook account. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to make sure that you've installed the latest version of Facebook or Facebook Lite application on your mobile device. Then log into your account. After that, tap on the three lines in the top right corner of the screen and then scroll down and go to Settings and Privacy. From the drop down menu, tap on Settings and then tap on See More in Account Center, or you can directly go to Account Center as well. Now under Account Settings, tap on Personal Details, and there you will see the option of Account Ownership and Control, that is below the birthday option. Tap on it. Now tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Select the Facebook account that you want to delete, and there you will see two different options, that is deactivate your account, which is temporary, and delete your account, which is permanent. Tap on delete account and then tap on continue again. If there are any pages that are associated with your Facebook account, that will also be deleted, so tap on continue. Now before you delete, you need to go ahead and select a reason for this deletion. Go through on-screen instructions and there you will see the section of entering your password of the Facebook. And once you do that, your account will be permanently deleted. But you can come back and recover or cancel the deletion before 30 days of deleting your account. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.